Welcome to Yanish Rasam. Today we are going to make one vada to get rid of cold, phlegm which will get affected in this winter season. Soak the gram dal for 2 hours. Required ingredients are soak the gram dal, onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies. Then bitter leaf, pepper, turmeric, salt, soft and cloves and ajwain leaf. This ajwain leaf and betel leaf, we are using this to get rid of the cold along with pepper. So now we will grind this. We'll add 2 chilies and garlic, 5 to 6 garlics and ginger, 1 spoon of pepper, a little turmeric. Then we will add salt to our taste. Cloves and soft. With this, we will add the soaked gram dal. We will add the gram dal and grind this to a paste. It should not be a fine paste. Okay, some coarse paste is enough. Then I am adding 3 bitter leaves. You cut this into pieces. As much small pieces you want, you can cut this and mix this in the batter. Along with the bitter leaf, I will add ajwain leaf. This is also called karpuravalli, omavalli, ajwain leaf. So I will make this also into pieces. Cut this into pieces. Mix this in the batter. Then I will add onion and mix this batter well. See, this ajwain, betel leaf, turmeric along with pepper is good remedy to come out of the phlegm, cold, cough, everything. Put the pan, add some oil, let the oil boil. When the oil is heat, we'll add the vada. Turn over the vada. Let it cook for both sides. Now the vada is ready. See, crispy, tasty vada. Then and there we will get this betel leaf, ajwain leaf, ginger, pepper is also there, garlic is there, which are all good for health. Give this to children. Good for health. Thanks for watching.